Hey everyone, sorry about the live stream tonight. We were reminded of the shortcomings of the Malcolm Turnbull government in not investing properly in infrastructure. The internet carked itself tonight. We're going to make sure we fix it before we do the next live stream, but later on this week, on Friday, we will be offering a commentary. It was a very interesting budget from what we did listen to, and I really want to offer that insight onto that and get Chad's take on it as well. There were some really funny moments there, especially near the end, on some of the plans that they've got for first home buyers and the middle class and reducing costs. But we'll be bringing that all to you on Friday, but releasing it on the weekend. The Labor Party also has a response as well. It'll be interesting to hear what they've got to say. But again, sorry about that. We'll make sure that this doesn't happen again, and we'll see you guys later. Ciao.
Cheers.